Hello everyone, this is Eric at RC Monster Garage. So what we got here on my 3D printer is actually those pieces right now, and they are a hub for actually wheel that you 3D print for your crawler. It's actually look like this. It's an airless wheel. The name of it is actually called Tweel, and this is the hub. It's for 12mm, and I can make it actually for whatever size I want. So the way that it's work, you get two pieces. You print this part and that part, and those two parts together are going into the wheel. So this sits from the top, and the other one is actually closing it from the bottom here. You see, it's gonna go with screws. There is a place for a nut over there, and you close it together, and then you put it on your car. And this is done with two different material. You have over here the regular material for the 3D printer, that's the hard material, and then the flexible rubber. And this will be actually a pretty good experiment to see if it's actually going to work. It's not as soft as anything else that you would like to see on RC, but I'm experimenting with it right now. Now, the only drawback is the time that it takes to print. So the wheel itself, without the centers, took about 29 hours to print, and then two prints are fail. It's kind of stopped working in the middle because it's flexible material. Those little guy, this was about 3.5 hours to print in a very high quality, look like metal actually. And then this one was about 2.5 hours. So if the result will be pretty good, you know, when it's done, it's going to work good, it's going to be actually worth it. But we're going to try two of them, one on a rock crawler, and the other one that I'm going to do actually for a speedrun car. Because what I'm going to try to do is like a wheel that actually the center stay, and we can only 3D print the outside, see if it's going to give us more grip. And why I'm thinking about this will give me more grip on a speed run, because the material called TPU, when you heat it up, it gets softer and softer. And what I'm thinking of is when you do speed run with it, faster we go and the tire get hot, it will get more sticky to the ground. So let's see if it's gonna work. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and share, and press the bell icon right there so you can see how it's gonna look on the vehicle. If you haven't been in our new shop yet, we're located 17555 Chatsworth Street in Granada Hills, California. And let me turn and show you our shop. So we have a lot of stuff all over the place. Kind of any cars of Arma or Red Cat or Losi, we have everything in the shop. So if you haven't been here yet, you should come as fast as you can. So you have like one aisle with a lot of stuff, and then you have another one there, and then you have aircraft there, and there is more stuff all over, and we have like airplanes all around the ceiling. It's kind of hard to take a picture or video because the light's coming from there. So don't forget, like, subscribe, and share, and look for part 2 of the wheel assembly. Bye.